In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the Me and Bro trend tutorial on CapCut. A lot of people have been asking for this edit, so I decided to make a simple step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you all so much for 60K. I truly appreciate all the love and support. I couldn't have reached this milestone without it. So yeah, let's check the preview.
As gostosas joga raba, só jogar o cartão pop. E as bandidas jogam.
First, add a character image and a manga picture. Adjust them to match the beat. All the clips, overlays, and the song name used in the video are provided in the description. Next, duplicate the clip and adjust it to the beat just like I did. Go to Effects and add Pixel Stretch. Adjust it length like mine. Apply it to the object, all video. After that, go to Adjust and Set. Twist 40. Intensity 0. Leave the rest of the settings unchanged. Now duplicate the effect and place it below the first one. Then go to Adjust again and Set. Rotate 50. Twist 30. Select the first effect and add 2 keyframes. Set the twist value to 0 on the first keyframe. Apply the same keyframe adjustment to the second effect as well. Now duplicate both effects and apply them to all the remaining images. Next, add a white overlay. Go to the overlay and adjust it upward just like I did. Then open stickers and add the black sticker shown in the video. Move the white overlay layer to the very front. Select the sticker, zoom it in, place it underneath the overlay, and adjust it exactly like mine. Extend the sticker's duration until the end of the video. Now go to Text, type Bro, and choose the Resolve font. Position it above the white overlay just like mine. Split the text near the first image. Then go to the second text layer and change it to Me. Duplicate it and apply it to every clip in the same way. Now export the project. You can skip exporting if you want, but I export it because it makes the editing process smoother. Next, create another project and add a picture with both characters together. Apply the same overlay and effects as before, but instead of the previous text, simply type USS. Export this project as well. Now duplicate the first exported intro. Go to speed and set it to 1.1 seconds. Then add the second exported clip. Freeze the very last frame of that clip. Finally, adjust everything according to the beat. Adjust all the clips according to the beat. The rest is super easy. Just follow what I did, no voiceover needed. Simply copy my steps and you'll get the same result.
gostosas joga raba, só jogar o cartão pro alto. E as bandidas jogam
大丈夫でしょ。勝手気に。うるせえ。弱いもん。